Wonder fills me as I walk through the woods, the rustling of leaves and chirping of birds a symphony for my senses. The beauty of nature astounds me, reminding me of the intricate balance of life. Vocabularies: wonder, woods, rustling, leaves, chirping, birds, symphony, senses, beauty, nature, astounds, intricate, balance, life. Grammar analysis. This 44-word nature writing is a simple yet poetic sentence, with a focus on describing the beauty of nature and the emotions it elicits in the writer. The sentence is constructed using mostly simple sentence structures with a few dependent clauses, creating a sense of flow and ease. Comment. The use of sensory details and vivid imagery creates a powerful picture of the natural world and its wonders. The writer's appreciation for nature is evident in the emotional language used, making the piece relatable to readers who share the same love for the outdoors.
Vietnamese translation. Sự kỳ diệu đầy trong tôi khi tôi đi bộ qua rừng, tiếng rít lá và tiếng hót chim hòa cùng nhau tạo nên một bản giao hưởng cho giác quan của tôi. Vẻ đẹp của thiên nhiên khiến tôi ngỡ ngàng, nhắc nhở tôi về sự cân bằng tinh tế của cuộc sống.